As promised, I said I was going to use my current Moto G phone here and show you one of the apps I find useful. So here it goes. By the way, excuse the broken display. I have been very, what do you call it, clumsy with this particular phone, more so than in the past. And eventually, I'm going to have to either get a different phone or replace it. So, excuse the distraction. So, for now, I am going to click on Google right here and use one of the apps on here. You can see there's many different ones on here. And the one that I would like to talk about is Sheets. Well, one of the things Sheets is useful for is it's a spreadsheet. It's very much like Excel, and I'm making the assumption that most of you know what a spreadsheet is and what Excel is. If you don't, go ahead and leave a comment and let me know, and perhaps I can help you understand better what a spreadsheet does. So, for now, I would like to talk about using a spreadsheet to take readings of blood pressure. So, this is what this example does. It's very much like Excel, it has tabs. I have a 2024 tab, as in the year, a 2025 tab, and a guide. In the guide, I took an image of the different levels or categories of blood pressure, and I recorded that in the sheet as well as color coded them. So I'm going to make it larger by using my fingers to pinch the sides larger. And hopefully you can learn by me doing as opposed to me explaining in more detail, because I'm making the assumption that most of you have been using mobile phones for a while now. So I think you know what it takes to expand a screen by using your fingers. So you can see here I have various stages of blood pressure categories. It ranges from normal ideal to hypertension stage 4. And here are the ranges, max and min, for those stages. For example, normal, high normal, would be from 121 over 81 milligrams per Hg versus 129 over 84 milligrams per Hg. And maybe someone medical can explain what Hg means, but I've just taken that to help me monitor what my blood pressure has been lately, especially since I decided to stop taking my medication and just see how things are going. And it's easy enough to just type in entries in each column. Um, for example, if I want to type in the next date here, I would click on the cell and click on FX here. It brings up the keypad. And since I want it to be a number, as in a date, I would type in the date here by using the number pad. One, excuse me, it's kind of hard to see since I'm filming over my phone with my Amazon Fire tablet. So I'm going to press on one, and I'm going to press on the backslash, and then press on the number key again, and the next digit, 1 again, 14, backslash, and then the year, 2025. And then to complete the entry, I'll click on this check mark here to the side, and you can see it stores it. And to save what I've entered, I'm going to click on this check mark over here. And I'm going to check that it's been saved by using this arrow here. And then it closes the sheet or the actual file itself. And then I'm going to click on the file again and make sure it was saved, and I can see that it was saved here. So this is going to be my very first video since my very long absence posting content, but I will expand on this particular app because I think you might find it useful. Alrighty then, Happy New Year.